This week we began our rounding unit, and today we focused on rounding to the nearest 10. Tomorrow we'll focus on rounding to the nearest 100, and the students will come home tomorrow with a foldable that they can reference to when working on their rounding. I'm going to look at this really quickly and go over the poem that they can use to help them remember. We're underlining the 2 because it's in the tens place, since we're rounding to the nearest 10, and we'll circle the 1. We say the poem to the number in the circle, and it's 4 or less, let it rest, 5 or above, give it a shove. Well, 1 is 4 or less, so we're going to let the 2 rest. And then all the numbers to the right run to 0 in a fright, so it rounds to 20. Now I'm going to skip to 26. I'm going to underline the 0 because it's in the tens place, and I'm going to circle the 9. We say our poem to the 9 in the circle, so we say 4 or less, let it rest, 5 or above, give it a shove. Since we didn't do anything to the 1 in the hundreds place, it comes over, and we're going to give the 0 a shove to a 1, and all the numbers to the right run to 0 in a fright. Down at the bottom, we're rounding to the nearest 100. So I'm going to move it up here. We're going to underline the 8 because it's in the hundreds place and circle the 9. Now, since we didn't do anything to the number 1 in the thousands place, we're going to pull it on over. And the 9 we say the poem to. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or above, give it a shove. And so we're going to give the 8 a shove. It's going to go into a 9. And both the numbers to the right run to 0 in a fright. So it rounds to 1,900. Last thing really quickly is our nines trick. This time we're going to count to 9 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to count back. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And as you can see, you have 9, which is 9 times 1, 18, 9 times 2, 27, 9 times 3, and so on.